The AFP maintains that the arrests of NPA leaders Benito and Wilma Tiamzon are legal. It also urged the couple to just face the charges before the courts. Regine Rehencia reports.
Forces of the Philippines once again called on the Tiamzon to accept and deal with the charges they are facing before the court. According to Lieutenant Colonel Harold Cabuno, commander of the 7th Civil Relations Group of the AFP, the court has already released a warrant of arrest against Benito and Wilma Tiamzon. That is why the arrest is considered as legitimate and the charge against them is strong.
Inaasahan na hihina ang kanilang hanay, maaring mayroong kapalit at titingnan natin. Pero nanawagan kami na sana naman ay matauhan na sila. Na ang kanilang panlilin lang ay booking na ito sa taong bayan at ang kailangan ay dapat talikuran ang armadong karahasan.
He added that they have uncovered the operation of the New People's Army of extortion and attacks on civilians, among others. With this, various government watchdogs staged a protest in front of the People Power Monument, and they expressed that they are in one with the authorities on the legitimacy of the arrest on the Tiamzon couple. Groups added that the two should be condemned to a death sentence for the crimes they have committed, such as the killing of 15 people in Inupacan, Leyte in 1985 and the recent discovery of a mass grave. Cabunok also encouraged NPA to be open to peace talks and to giving up their arms.
Susuportahan namin ang ating pamahalaan dito sa isinusulong natin na usapang pangkapayapaan. Ngunit sila ang sa hanay naman ng CPP, NPA, NDF ang nagsasabi na ayaw nilang makipag-usap. Ngunit sa amin mga sundalo, natutuwa po kami kung dito sa nangyari nga sa MILF na kung saan nagkaroon ng pirmahan upang tapusin na ang karahasan. Ganon din ang aming gusto, ang aming ninanais, minimithi para dito sa ating mga kapatid na lihis ng landas, ang mga kapatid natin sa NPA, na kung saan ay gusto rin namin na kayo rin, mag-isip din po kayo na hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. Magkaisa po tayo at ang kailangan ng ating bansa ay pagkipaugnayan ng bawat Pilipino na tayo ay sa isang diwa.
Just this Saturday, the Tiamzon were arrested in Carcar, Cebu after decades of searching.